Welcome to the TP-879 Thermal Printer Basic Guide. Let's take a quick look at how to set it up and get started. This is the charging port, and you can charge the printer using a Type-C cable. This is the power button, and this is the self-test button. To open the transparent cover for the label compartment, press and push both side panels like this. Inside, you will find the print head and the paper holder. The paper holder is easy to open. It has two adjustment plates, one is fixed and the other is removable. This is the inner side of the removable plate, and this is the outer side. Place a label roll inside. Then close the removable plate securely in the correct position. Make sure the label paper is aligned with the printhead side. When putting the paper holder back, ensure the fixed side is on the right side of the printer and the removable side is on the left. Position the paper holder correctly towards the printhead. Set the label like this and close the transparent panel. Your printer is now ready to use. Press the power button to turn it on. The green LED will light up, indicating the printer is powered on. If the label is not positioned properly, the red LED will light up. Simply adjust the label, close the cover securely, and you're ready to print. Let's see how to download the app and sign up. Move to your mobile device and download the Timozia app. You can download it from the Play Store, App Store, or directly from our website. Open the Timozia app, and if you already have an account, simply log in. Otherwise, create a new account. Enter your username, email, and password. Re-enter the password to confirm, and click Create an account. Now you are ready to use the app. Let's see how to print a label from the app. Go to the Label Print section. Here, you can use a model label, as there are many available, or create a custom label. Let's create a label. Write your desired text, and you can also add stickers or emojis. After finishing the label design, click on Print. Now connect the printer with the app. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on. Turn on your printer and perform a self-test by pressing the self-test button. Search for the printer in the app and select the name that matches the MAC address. The printer is now connected. You can adjust the print copy, print density, print speed, and contrast from here as needed. Finally, click Print, and your printer will smoothly start printing. Let's see how to contact our customer support. If you have any questions, you can easily connect with our customer support through the app. Click the customer support icon, ask your question, and you'll receive a solution from our team quickly. From the Get Started button on the home page, you can easily access all our printer drivers for Windows and Mac. You can also download our printer application from here. Additionally, you will find the necessary tutorials and user manuals for the printers to help you get started quickly. Thank you for using our thermal printer.